Hello, what's up guys? This is Lone Down Gaming or Daniel Cuino PH, and we're back to another vlog video. Sheesh. Alright, so I don't know what to do. I look like an egg because my hair has been cut. Alright, so please editor, put a side by side for an egg and my head. This is the egg, alright. That's basically my head. Alright. Right. So yeah, we're gonna talk about our freaking dog, Binga. Alright. There she is. She's so cute. So Binga is born in May 2, 2022. So, Binga is 1 year old. Alright, 1 year old. And in May 3, we decided to make a name for her. We come up with Brownie, but it's a boy's name. Our dog is a girl, man. So instead, we just say, my mind said Bingo. So I said, how about Bingo? And then that's a boy's name again. Then we make it a girl's name. So we unspell it and then we remove the O from the Bingo and we put it A. So it's a girl's name now. It's a oh my god, excuse me. Oh. Now it's a girl's name, so Binga. You pronounce it like Binga. So in this house or in this place in Nadas Greenfields, it always rains, man. It always rains. I don't know why. It always rains. So our dog is going inside our house. So they are pooping inside our house. So yeah, that's our dog. So I guess that's enough story for y'all. So yeah, this is our dog again running. So yeah, see you again in another vlog video. Bye bye. Sheesh.